Whoa! Holy smokes, that was close. There we go. First fish of the day. Little dink, but I'll take it. Another day of avoiding the skunk. There we go. All right, a little dink for the day, but I will take it. Mwah. Thank you, sir. All right, again, that was on the kind of the flat area coming back into where it drops off on the ledge here. And that is on the Piscifun Phantom X bait casting reel on the Halo Starlite rod. And I am throwing the replacement jackhammer I got through Shop Carl's insurance program through their club membership. And on the back of that is a little Zoom fluke. And this thing is going to be working out well today. Just got out here. Beautiful morning, brisk, 38 degrees. But it's supposed to get up to the 50s today. Looking forward to that. Let's get on some fish. Oh, I got hit there. There we go. Got him that time. He chased it. This might be a decent fish. Come on. That's definitely a good fish. Oh, yes! Holy smokes. He hit that once, followed it up, and hit it again. Let me let some slack out here so I can put this down. Holy smokes. Wow, got him on the side. What a beauty. All right, thank you very much. Mwah. Oh, I got caught in the glove. Sorry, buddy. Oh, there we go. That's a good fish. Boy, he smoked that. He hit it so hard it left slack in the line. That was crazy. I didn't know what AFG was talking about. They got hammered by that bass yesterday on the jig. All right. Wow, here we go. Excellent. Wow. Sweet. And a self-release, gotta love that. Man, good deal. Let's get you back in the water. Mwah. What a beauty. Gorgeous fish. Thank you very much. Cool. What I've been doing here is going through and watching where the shad are popping on the top water. You can see little ripples here and there. And like I said, I'm right on top of, well, must be a school of them popping up and around. And that one I caught on the ledge going from the shallow out there into the deep. There we go, on the Fire Craw. Oh, and he's off. Doggone it. There we go, got him that time. Just a dink. I'll take it. Oof. So many near hits, but finally, a little dink for the day. Mwah. Thank you very much. See you. he is fighting hard. He's like dead weight. Come on, buddy. You can do it. Ah, good little fighter. Another little dink. Beautiful colors on him, though. Whoa. Holy smokes, that was close. There we go. Could that be the first fish on the Fire Craw? It is. Oh, yes. Nice. Kind of hose myself with putting my net here. Yeah, well. See if I can bow flip them. Yep. All right. Whew, first one on the Fire Craw. Good deal. What a beauty, too. Nice. That worked out well. All right, first fish on the Fire Craw. Not bad. I will take it. I've been throwing that thing a lot, and for some reason, the white and chartreuse is all they're really hitting on. The light colors, but finally got them. Mwah. Thank you very much. Good little fish. Here's the bait it was caught on. It is the ZMan Jackhammer, and I have the ZMan GOAT, both in Fire Craw color. Worked out pretty well. That blade is blacked out. It's kind of muted, so it doesn't give a lot of flash, but a lot of thump. It worked today. What's going on? Yeah. Is it real bad out there? Oh, no kidding. Yeah, bite's been good back here. Has not been too bad back here. There we go. Man, I've been throwing everything all morning, and all they hit on is that jackhammer. That's it. Not a bad fish. Good deal. Mwah. See ya. All right, did I hook another one? I think I did. That feels like a good fish too. That might be a dink. He's fighting pretty hard though. Not a bad fish. Not bad at all. Definitely better than the last dink. Still not huge, but not bad. They're just liking it on that fast retrieve as I'm trolling back in. Thank you.